So here we go. I'm walking here, speaking English with you. Like, share, follow, comment. Yeah. Okay. If you guys have any questions, you're welcome to ask me in the comment section. Okay? I mean, in the comment section you can go and ask me questions. Okay? Look at this little door. There's a little boy, you see, waving me. Yeah. Okay, look at this waterfall. Ruchnama. What a beautiful sight. So guys, walking on a daily basis is a good thing to do. Yes, it helps you to stay healthy. Yeah, look at these beautiful flowers here. We have a mix of flowers here, different types of flowers. Yes, and the nature is amazing. Nice. Yeah, the closer you get to the mountains, the cooler the weather gets. Yes, look at this. Look at these flowers. What kind of flower is it? Do you know this? Birds singing, nice weather. Yeah. Absolutely amazing. It's the right place to spend your free time and have a walk. Look at these flowers. Yep. Flowers, trees. We have lots of oxygen here. It's good for your lungs. Yeah. Guys, fresh air, as you already know, fresh air is good for your lungs, and walking is also good for your health. Yes. So I've had some food in Berkara, some yummy food that I'm not supposed to eat, but I had it, so now I have to walk and digest that food first of all. And this place is like 3-in-1 coffee, First of all, you get a really good exercise. Secondly, you uplift your mood. So here we go. So my clock says I have just finished my 10,000 steps, which is really good. And number 3 is I make my content, and I speak English to you guys, and so on and so forth. I like this place. Look at this. So many trees, In the afternoon, if you come here and you have a seat, you enjoy your time, because these trees will block sun. And here we go. Look at this. Yep. And you can enjoy your time here. Absolutely amazing. Green and nice. When I worked in Southeastern Asia, I used to walk in like these places, because there were lots of these places where I spent my free time. And I lived near the school like I'm doing now. Yeah, and I used to walk to my workplace through the park. Okay, let's do something like this, guys. Look at this. Yep. I hope you're enjoying this view too. Guys, don't forget to like it, share, follow, subscribe. Okay. It's very nice here. I love walking down here. So usually I walk more than 15,000 steps a day, but sometimes 16 to 18. You know, it goes on and on. So what I need to do next is I have to make sure that I walk as possible. Usually I walk until I get tired. Once I get tired, I stop doing it, because when you get tired, you better stop doing it, because your body tells you that it was time for you to stop doing that exercise. Yeah, exaggeration doesn't help. So if you try to exaggerate and force your body, if you exaggerate and force your body, that might be not good for your health. Yes, so your health signals you and tells you that, hey buddy, you gotta stop right now. Take your time, do it gradually, slowly, day by day, hour by hour. You know what I mean? So for those who wanna, look at this, lose their weight, I think that my advice is you need to do it gradually. Don't try to lose your weight in a daytime, which is absolutely impossible. Yeah. Okay guys, absolutely great. Okay, so speaking of English, guys, you need to practice it every day. Every day you need to practice speaking about any taken topic. Yes, for example, parks. Okay, let me give you an example. Speaking about park. So the park is a place where people have rest, where people unwind. Yes, where people spend their free time. Yes, parks have lots of trees, which means it has lots of oxygen, which is good for our lungs, for our body. In order to keep ourselves healthy, we need to make sure that we walk in the parks. Yes, on a daily basis. We walk in the parks on a daily basis. Parks also have lots of flowers. Yes, parks also have lots of flowers, where, yeah, beautiful flowers. Guys, I'm entering the forest. Yeah, parks look like forest. Yes, look at this. It's a real forest, guys. I love it. It's real forest. Okay. Yeah, so you can speak about parks. You can just describe whatever you do in the park. Yes, so for example, I'm walking here, I'm talking, I'm enjoying this fresh air and the nature, beautiful nature. Yes, I'm surrounded by. Yeah, so park is a place we unwind. Yes, we enjoy, we spend our time productively. Guys, it's really dark here. you might think, what the hell is this guy doing here? Yeah. But I'm walking here. Walking is a healthy activity. Yeah. Okay guys, so you can have a picnic in the park if it is allowed by the local municipality. So municipality is a new vocabulary today. So municipality means local authorities. Yes, if local authorities allow you to do so, why not? You can have a picnic. By the way, you can use the word picnic as a verb too. You can picnic here in the park. You can have a delicious meal and also spend some nice time with your friends, yes, with your family members. Okay guys, so that's the place, Cold Park. Okay, so guys, look at this. It's like in the middle of the forest. Yeah. Yeah, park, fresh air. So this one, inhale, inhale. Or you can also say, breathe in. I hope you guys can hear me well because it's a bit windy today. I wouldn't even say it's a bit windy, it's rather windy today. Yes, it's rather windy today, and but it's still okay. Can you see the moon? Can you see the moon over there? Can I zoom it on? Oh, look at this. That one is moon, guys. That one is moon, guys, moon. So breathe in, breathe out. By the way, this breathing in exercise is also good for you. Yes, on a daily basis, some health applications. For example, my Samsung has Samsung Health, so it has some specific application and where you can train your breathing. Yes, there is like 6 times or 10 times you need to breathe in, breathe out. Yes, which is good for your health. Yeah, which is good for your health, guys. Okay, now, so let me show you where I'm. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of nowhere. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment this video, as it helps me to make my channel better, motivates me into making even better quality videos for you guys, you know. So please do me a favor and like, share, comment, because that motivates me into making even much better quality videos for you. Okay, thank you guys in advance. I thank you all. I love you all. Yeah, so as you can see, we have a beautiful site here. This beautiful site, as I have already mentioned earlier, we can see some people having some picnic. So people are picnicking here. Lots of people. Yeah, people are picnicking here. And how about, okay, should I go there? I think that, okay, let me go this side. Okay, let me go this way and get out of this place. I'm not supposed to bother people, but I'll try not to make them uncomfortable. Okay, guys, you just look at it. Tons of people enjoying their time. Absolutely amazing. Okay, look at this. This is our national flag, and up there you can see the sunset. Wow, so great. And this one is, what a beautiful sight, guys. What a beautiful sight. Okay, we have tons of people taking pictures, selfies. Okay, lots of children playing. We have beautiful sunset here, and that's why people keep taking. So it says, "Koy dünya dursun, Turkmenistan dursun," which means, let the world be, let the Turkmenistan be. Yeah, that's a really good thing to say. So guys, look at this. So this one is Sultan Sanjar, great Turkmen Seljuk emperor. Yeah, he was a sultan, yes. He made his contribution mainly to education, culture. Yeah, he's known for his contribution to education, culture, and different types of things. Yeah. So mainly Sultan Sanjar was from Merv, ancient Merv. In ancient Merv there is a mausoleum of Sultan Sanjar, and many people who visit Turkmenistan usually go and see that mausoleum. What a beautiful sight we have here, guys. Look, our beautiful flag and beautiful moon and beautiful sunset. Wow, look at this side, guys. Look at this beautiful sunset. Wow, what a beautiful sight. Can I have with this beautiful sunset? Okay. Okay. These flags have some magic, yes. When you see these flags, you feel yourself like very proud, yes, very proud. Yeah. Guys, look at the chock full of people. Everywhere people, we have people everywhere, yes. Okay, everyone is having picnic, enjoying their time. Yep. Look at these mountains. Everything is beautiful. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. Look at this. Children playing. Yep. Our people are not accustomed, they are not used to the cameras, and that's why every time they see camera, sometimes they start behaving very awkwardly, but some younger generation just keep ignoring it. It's really good to see young people enjoying time, you know, having families. We have tons of people here. What a beautiful sight. Yeah. We have sunshine, I mean sunset. What a beautiful view. Okay, so we keep moving here. Wow, people flying kites. Okay, here we go, another group of people picnicking here. Okay, so let's have a look at this. What the hell is going on here? Look at this, tons of people picnicking here, taking selfies, children playing. Wow.